I had spent 10 years and invested $4.3 million into stem cell research. And this is, again, part of this forward thinking. And so when X39 was born, I began to think about and speak with our marketing team that we're not releasing another patch product. This is the third phase of release in our company. So I knew we needed to separate this for the opportunity from everything else we had done before to create a very specific dividing line. So the way that I positioned it with the marketing team was think of Energy Enhancer, LifeWave, Silent Nights, those products as being lifestyle products. That's what we started with. And then the second phase of the company was all about anti-aging. So now we're entering the third phase of the company, and this is all about stem cells and regeneration. And the timing happened to be just perfect. The closest comparison that we had was a stem cell injection. So if you wanted one stem cell injection, that was going to be between, let's say, $3,500 and $5,000 for a single injection, and about a third of the time it wouldn't work, and there was also risks associated with it. And our product, in contrast, for a brand partner was $100, and it's a product they could use every day, had no side effects, worked with the human body, and had benefits that, in fact, exceeded what you could see with stem cell injections. So from the perspective of the opportunity, the leaders started to see there was this enormous value proposition. So absolutely, that was a contributing factor. But one thing that we did, I think, really, really well, which could be a good, marketing lesson, is we didn't make it available for sale in the initial 6 months. What we did was we said, okay, first we're going to give samples to our leaders to use gratis. And then when we went to market in July of 2018, we said, if you want this product, you have to go out and sponsor, build the business, get a customer, and then we'll give you a free sample. And we started getting in a crazy number of testimonials. We built excitement. We were never selling the product and sales were going up.